Hey everyone, today we're just going to be playing some basketball in the backyard. Don't have too many days left in Sydney this year, so just do some trick shots. Alright, this is my go-to horse shot. Alright, this is the Steph Curry. I broke my net. This is the behind the backboard. This is the behind the backboard self alley-oop. This is the let everybody in the media know you're okay deep three-pointer. Whereas in reality, you're not okay, and we all know that. This is the hold up, where's the hoop shot. This is the side of the backboard alley-oop. This is the Lonzo ball. Last but not least, the classic James Harden. Thanks so much for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe if you enjoyed this video. I'll be heading to the States in 11 days time from now, where I'll be posting vlogs. I'm going on exchange for 6 months. We have a few really good trips lined up, so be sure to follow along. Until then, see you later.